morning students. Today I am going to discuss about the topic is the types of the network. Okay, and what are the internets? Okay, and what are the different types of internets? And then second one is what are the protocol key elements? Then what is the different types of networks here? So the different types of network, or it is the categories of the network, is the first one is LAN LAN, second one is WAN, and then third one is MAN. Okay, the abbreviation of the LAN is local area network, and WAN is wide area network, and MAN is metropolitan area network. So we will see one by one what is the local area network. See, the local area network, okay, we are going to provide the internet connectivity within the campus or within the room or within the office, okay, or only like short distance, or only the short of the place, or okay, or like short term of place, okay, we are going to giving the network connectivity, okay, that we call it as the local area network, or it is a LAN connection, or it is a LAN network. And the one more thing, LAN, okay, we required only minimum number of systems, okay, which is very helpful to making the connections within the room. That is also one of the advantage to like provide the LAN connectivity in the campus, or it is the office or room, okay, or within the building, home, okay, whatever it may be. Then here the second, even though the LAN capacity, okay, it is a 60 to 120 Mbps only, so it is very like less capacity of the internet. Then what is the wide area network? The wide area network, okay, we are going to provide the interconnectivity for long distance. The long distance, which is nothing but throughout the country or throughout the world, okay, we are going to provide the internet. So this is what the wide area network. For example is our internet, okay, our internet, which is nothing but Google, right? Google, Facebook, these all are the like wide area networks or wide area applications, okay, means throughout the India, throughout the world, okay, they are going to use the Google applications. So this is what the one of the example of the WAN. Here, like the speed of the internet also, it is very huge. Then what is the MAN? The MAN, which is nothing but it is a metropolitan area networks, okay, which is going to provide the connectivity over the cities or over the over the town, okay. So this is what the metropolitan area networks, okay. Like here, like what is that, the in between connections, okay, LAN compared to LAN, okay, the MAN has little bit internet speed is more, compared to WAN, the MAN's internet speed is very less. So like what is that, in between LAN and WAN, okay, the metropolitan area means MAN, we are going to fixing the connections. So this is what the MAN. Then I'll move on to the next test. Like this is a small picture, okay, I'm going to I'm going to showing in the pictorial representation how the LAN is going to connected within the room or within the campus or within the building. So I told, right, so we require only minimum or minimal number of the system, okay, is enough to make the internet or provide the internet. Then I'll move on to the WAN. Okay, in this WAN we have two types of what is that, WAN connections or WAN networks. One is point to point as well as the switched WAN network. In the point to point networks, okay, here we are going to provide the connections, internet connections between the two devices, okay, by using the interface or by using the device modem. Okay, here the modem is like one of the device, okay, which is going to help to make the transactions between one to one device, okay. Here the modem is it is work as one of the router, okay. So this is what the point to point, and like only dedicated link or only the given link they have they have do the transactions by using the modem. Then what is the switched WAN network? The switched WAN network, okay, in the network, okay, in the network we are going to use for the n number of switches, means multiple switches, okay, along with that multiple systems, means multiple systems they are simultaneously interconnected to that particular network switch. So this is what the switched WAN means. Multiple systems, they can simultaneously do these transactions by using the switch. So this is what the WAN. The next one is like heterogeneous network. Okay, they are going to made up of the 4 WANs and 2 LANs. Means like by using the like many number of WAN. Okay, how how the WAN as well as the LAN, okay, they are going to like do the transactions in the point to point as well as the multi point connections. Then I'll move on to the main topic is internet. Then what is the internet? The internet, okay, which is nothing but like it is the, yeah, it is going to provide the meaningful informations in the network. I am repeating once again, the internet, okay, it is going to provide the meaningful informations, okay, in the system, okay, that we call it as the internet. And this internet, okay, we have like different types of service provider is there. That means internet service provider is there. In that we have 4 types of service provider. One is international internet service provider. Then second one is national service provider. Then third one is regional service provider. Then fourth one is local service provider. So we will see one by one now. So this is what the hierarchical organization of the internet. See here, like they have already mentioned ISP, that is internet service provider. Okay, that internet service provider, they are going to interlink to the regional service provider. Like that they have like build the hierarchy structures. So we will see one by one what is the internet service provider. The internet service provider, which is nothing but they are going to connect the nations or like nations internet service provider together. So they are going to connect the nations together. Okay, that we call it as the internet service provider. Then what is the national service provider? So the national service provider, which is nothing but the national internet service provider, okay, which is nothing but they are going to provide the internet connections, okay, only the specialized companies. Okay, the specialized companies, okay, they are going to maintaining and creating the companies, okay, their own standards. So for that they are going to providing the connections, means internet connections. Then what is the regional like internet services means service provider means, okay, 2 or more national internet service provider, we are going to call it as the regional internet service provider. Then what is the local service provider, local internet service provider? So the local internet service provider, they have direct communications between the end users, means that the end users directly interact to that particular internet, like local internet service provider. Means like we have one branch, okay, we have one what is that in our local area, okay, like we have one internet branch, okay, so that branch, okay, directly the user can able to the user can able to ask the queries, or they can came and visit that particular shop or the particular what is that the particular office, okay, they can inquiry, they can do the n number of inquiries, okay, based on that they will get the solutions. So this is what the local internet service provider means. Like the locally like the local peoples, okay, they are going to getting the internet service provider only the based on the through the transaction or based on through the communications, okay, they are going to provide the internet services. So this is what the like local internet service provider. Then next topic is protocol. Then what is the protocol, or what is the terms of the protocol means? The protocol, okay, which is nothing but it is a set of rules that govern the data communication, okay, which is going to like determines the what type of communications, okay, they are going to do, and how the communications will be happens between the sender and receiver, okay, everything they are going to taken care by the protocol. And thus in this protocol, okay, they are going to following the many types of the like many key elements. That is, one is syntax, second one is semantics, and third one is timings. Then what is the syntax? The syntax, which is nothing but they are going to define the structure of the data, or it is the format of the data, that we call it as the syntax. Then what is the semantics? The semantics, which is nothing but it is going to define the actions, okay, that we call it as the semantics. Then third one is timings. The timings, okay, which is nothing but it is going to checking the sender and receiver speed. Along with that, okay, it is going to check which, like what time, or like which time the sender it is going to send the data to the receiver, and then receiver, okay, and exactly what time it is going to receive the data, means like particular time it is going to checking both sender and receiver. So this is what the timings are.